Hi everyone. There are three types of file SeaBird uses to configure the software behavior, which I think you need to know them. The first is the XML the instrument configuration file, which defines the way the CTD itself was configured while sampling. The second is the program setup file, PSA, and the third is the DSA, which is the single window setup file. The best way to know these files is through CSave. And in CSave we have several levels of definition. Let's go through the program setup file first. If I now go to CSave and let's say I change the COM for communication with the CTD to COM10. Okay. I try to close the program and it asks me whether I want to save the program setup file. If I saved it, the next time I open the program, the communication will be defined through COM10, but it wouldn't work, so let's change it back to COM5. Everything that this software uses, the CSave, is saved in the program setup file. If I change the type of water sampler, TCP/IP, whatever, they are all saved on the program setup file, so that next time I'll open the file, it will use the same program setup file. Every one of the programs has its own setup file. If you want to follow the process, you go in, let's say, data conversion, you'll save the program setup file for each of the programs you use through the setup file, and then you'll be able to follow the process. You'll be able to run it again. You'll be able to modify it. So that's the program setup file. I can even go in CSave to File, or open a setup file from previously, or save the setup file, the new setup file as, and it's a file like every other file, and you just save it. Bye.